guys did not know what's going on outside, but a blizzard just hit Brookhaven. Oh my gosh, I saw it on the news, and guys, look what's happened. That's right, I don't know what's happened, but I found this truck on the way back to my house. Maybe I can kind of use, it's cold. Guys, I don't want to be out here, but I did see a truck. It was right there. There it is, and I think I have the keys. Alright, let's... Alright, we're gonna take this truck. Oh my gosh, I actually don't know what's happening. But it's literally, oh my gosh, guys, look at this. It's literally a freaking blizzard in freaking Brookhaven, and it's snow. Oh my gosh, bro. Like, what the heck? And, yeah. Something might happen, because I do need some food in my house. Yes, because, I don't know what to do, but it's cold, bro. It's cold. Oh gosh. Wait. Nobody's here. Grocery store is closed. Dang it. Well, I guess we're going back home hungry. Well, yeah. Oh my gosh. Well, I actually didn't notice something because I just now noticed that when I came outside, like earlier, there was a freaking blizzard. Like, what the heck is going on? And then, this what happens. This. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that hurts. Well, no more vehicles for me. Now I gotta walk back to my house. Well, I'm real. This is scary, cause my gosh, I don't like this. I'd rather stay indoors. I guess I'm gonna stay indoors, cause who would want to stay outside during a blizzard? I just wanted to go do something, and great. Guess what? My ice cream shop is closed now because of the blizzard. The ice cream shop is closed. Well, I guess yeah. I don't think I really want to deal with this right now because look at this. Maybe I can just go downstairs and relax. Ooh, this is making it even freezier. That is so cool. Anyways, I gotta wash my hands. That would be cold. Alright, so, what? I don't know what to do because there's a freaking blizzard outside. Everybody's indoors. I mean, there's a house down the street. Yeah. I don't really like this because look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look. It's freaking blizzard out here. And yeah, I guess I'll just stay here and do whatever I want to do. Yeah, so I decided, what should I do? What the heck? Oh my gosh, I can go for walls now. This is an update. Oh my gosh, this is great. This is cool. Just walking through. Imagine just watching you're in somebody's house and then you just watch them sleep. And when they wake up, you go like this. That's so funny. Anyways, what? I don't know what to say, but yeah, I actually don't know. But blizzard, when is this gonna go away? Oh my gosh. It looks like it's now daytime. Snow is clearing up. That's cool. Yes, the snow is clearing up. Well, that was one bad day. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10.